Rack position. Elbows dropping. What could be tight? Something that causes that shoulder extension, this movement is called. Okay? What causes shoulder extension? Name a muscle group. What have we done today that looks like this? Muscle ups. What muscles were working when we did those muscle ups? Lats. So we want your lats turning on for this, but do we want your lats to be tight in this position or in this position? No, because if they are, you can't get into that position. Therefore, you can't generate strength, power, and force. You can't lift heavy. So if you're unable to do this, let's extrapolate that out to this. You're unable to do this. What PNF can you do?
The line before.
The Russian one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. It's going to put you into that better position. How about if your elbows are too wide? You're squatting like this. What is the issue here at the shoulder? It's internally rotated, isn't it? So if my internal rotators are tight, which PNF should I use? Right to there. And suddenly, take the broomstick away, you put your hand on a bar, there's a great front rack position. Yeah?